might be the reason why your bank account's always at zero, why you always never have cash, why you always end up questioning yourself, where does my paycheck go for the week? See, your money habits could be keeping you poor. For example, a lot of you like to order everything. You want everything delivered right to your door. And yes, these platforms, they're great. They're amazing for convenience. But if your main issue is you never have enough money, this is the first area you should cut, given that most of these platforms will jack up the prices 20, 30, 40, 50% on a specific product on top of the shipping fee, so you end up overpaying for a bowl of Chipotle. Stop being lazy, go and pick up the food, and watch just how much money you save at the end of the month. Number 2, you use buy now, pay later. If you've ever hit checkout and you consider hovering that buy now, pay later, a little me should pop up on your shoulder telling you no. A little me should pop up on your shoulder letting you know you can't afford that. You're too broke to buy that. See, if you can't buy whatever you're trying to buy at once and you're trying to split it up in installments, you should know, I am too broke to buy this right now. I cannot afford this. That should be your mentality. It's similar to credit cards, right? You should never put something on a credit card that you can't pay off immediately. The only reason you're using that credit card is to build up your credit score. But if you're loading up your credit card and you think, this will take me 6 months to pay off, just know you can't afford that. Number 3, you're not protecting your identity. This is the easiest way to go broke. You know how many credit cards get stolen and swiped a day? We're talking a credit card probably every second, and now somebody's using your bank account and your credit cards, and it's driving you into a hole. For years, identity theft has been America's highest crime that affects millions of Americans. Yet despite this, those who are affected by identity theft are often left shocked when this happens. This is why I love our sponsor, Youre. Just imagine you try to log into your email account only to see that your password changed a few minutes ago. Then you start seeing charges coming into your bank account, into your credit card. That's when all the feelings of fear, panic, anxiety, sometimes even guilt start to settle in. See, with Youre, I don't have to worry. Youre is an identity theft protection, fraud monitoring, VPN, password management, and antivirus software all combined into one easy-to-use application. And see, when it comes to fraud, every second matters. With Youre, you connect your bank account and your credit cards, and you get notified up to 4 times faster than any of their competitors. Their VPN then allows you to keep your browsing history online confidential and all your personal information encrypted. And their antivirus software will block all malware and viruses from your devices before it affects them. I want you to protect you and your family from America's fastest growing crime. You can try Youre for free for 2 weeks and see if any of your personal information has already been compromised online. If you guys go to Youre.com/TMF or click the link down below, you're going to get that free 2-week trial and see just how well protected you can be. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, not knowing how much you spend. If I ask you right now, how much do you spend? Can you give me an exact number? Probably not. This is the biggest problem when you're broke because you don't know where your money is going. This is similar to people that try to lose weight. You will be surprised by just how much you overspend in every category of your life. If you were just to sit down and do 1 month's worth of expenses and detail everything, every Uber, every streaming service, every plate that you buy, every little thing, every gym membership, you'll be surprised as to how much you can save if you get rid of all the excess bulk. You need to know where your money is going. 5, you're a consumer and not a creator. See, for big businesses, you're a number sign. That's all you are. You are a number sign and their sea of consumption, and they're just pumping. And I'm not telling you to completely stop consuming, whether it's content or product, but I'm telling you to switch your mindset into a creator. Look, we are naturally creators. As human beings, we are built to create things, to build things, to solve problems. When you are in a constant state of consumption, that means you're in a constant state of drainage, whether that's money or time. I want you to switch that around and start creating in your life. Whether that's a business, whether that's creating content, whatever that you are creating, you're going to switch the script and go from giving up your time and money to receiving time and money. You need to start creating more, which exactly rolls us to number 6. Learn how to multiply money. See, you need to understand how money works, how you can take money for yourself, how you can grow your personal net worth. Of course, if you constantly, every month over month, realize, yo, I never have enough money, instead of just sitting there and allowing that to happen, you should sit down and start writing a game plan. Okay, what can I sell? What can I create? What can I do that'll gain me an extra 10, 20, 50, 100, $1,000 a month? And then we scale slowly. And then we build upon that month over month over month. Again, now you're thinking like a creator. You're thinking like a businessman. You have to know and understand how money works. That's it for your boy. See you next time.